This everybody, they added Snowflake. Let's go get Elinor before we head to. Today they installed baby Snowflake lights in White Plains. The other side is the adult snowflakes. Let me wipe my lens. Right, Luna? What do you think? Yes. Alright. Let me wipe my lens. I think it's good. Yes. They added snowflakes. Alright. We'll get the other plushes while we exit to the parking garage to show you the entire baby snowflake lights. The elevator, Luna? Yes. Alright, you push the button. And I'll push it. We'll go get to the car. Indicator burned out because of this. Grocery beep. Right over here, this is the stairs. I'm not sure where the stairs goes to, but it's locked. Maybe the stairs is a private property. Here's a pickup truck. Looks cool. Yeah. Alright, we'll get to the car. And that's it. The holiday lights, we're gonna go downstairs to exit the parking. Yes. Rainbow Dash. Rarity. Yeah, I can't wait to see it. Okay. So we're getting ready. Right, Fluttershy? Yes. It's gonna be Elinor, Fluttershy, and this. Okay. And Luna, since you already saw it in the first floor, I'll put you away. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'll put you. The exit. Take a look around. So sorry about that, but look at this right here. Here's the Lofts apartment. This looks nice. Everybody, we couldn't see the entire thing because we have to go on the other side, but we already did this part already yesterday. But that'll be it. Let's check in the post road. They added installation. The street did not add it yet. Okay, that's it. Alright, that's it. Hope you like it. Like an Elinor and Fluttershy. Yes. It's nice. Right? Yeah. Also, Home Pride is still under construction, but soon it will open. Alright. That's it. Hope you like it.